G'day YouTube, Mike White here with a quick 1Broker update on how to actually place and manage a trade. So let's jump into it. So once you actually sign up, get an account, it takes about 20 seconds to actually do that. You can actually jump on and see this is the home page. If we jump into the markets, let's say we want to put a leverage trade on Bitcoin. So we can actually see, okay, we've got BitUSD. Let's say we want to do a buy. So we just click the blue one on the right hand side and that'll take us to this page here. So what we want to look at here, the top is the amount that you're actually trading. You've got to do, if you want to share the trade, to put it on that front home page so you can kind of brag, you know, get your bragging rights. You can actually just click share trade. You do have to have a minimum of 0.25 Bitcoin to do that. So if you want to do that, no worries. Then on the other side, you can choose, you can change from long to short along the way. But let's say, no, we want to go the long. We want to be buying. And here, if we want to leverage, we can play around with that. So you can toggle the leverage bar this way, or you can just chuck in, okay, I just want to do 3 or whatever it was. Okay, so let's say we want to be a bit aggressive. We'll push that up to 5. On the market order, we can actually do a market order, or we can do a limit order or a stop entry. But let's say we just want to do a market order. We can chuck in our stop loss. So we want to be managing our trades every step of the way. Let's say I'm getting in at 8.27 and I want to make sure that I'm sold if it gets down to, say, for example, 8.15. And then down the bottom it'll tell you that it will actually be stopped out once the price hits there. And you can also hit your take profit there as well, just to make sure if it hits the price you want, you can get out of the market without you having to actually sit there all the time and watch the market. So if we have a look at, if we just jump out of there for a second, we can have a look at order that I've got in here already. Now, we've got stop loss here at 8.12. We're up about 3%, which is great. Haven't set a take profit yet, because if we can get a break out of this range that we're in, I'd like to let the profit run, but that's another story. We can also see, if we click the stop loss, what percentage of a loss we're going to make. So if this actually gets stopped out at 8.12, I would have lost around 4%, and it'll cost me about 0.008 Bitcoin. Okay, but what a great feature that you can also add is a trailing stop, which means, okay, let's say I'm willing to risk that 4%, but no more, even if the market actually moves in my favor. If we click this trailing stop, it'll say, okay, so you'll automatically get closed out if it hits 8.12, but then the max loss you will make from there is still 4% from the high watermark that it makes. So if the price is here and your stop loss is there, the stop loss will move up with the market as you make money, or it'll stop you out if it moves against you. So really good, easy ways to navigate and manage your trades. Like, subscribe, let me know if you've got any questions. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.